Hey guys, so it's March 25th. We're back here at the house and another beautiful day here, and the bell tolls as well. So today we just popped up here. We're going to be going to the nursery to check some possible trees or plants that we want to plant here. But first we stopped at the house and Laura's pruning the chestnut tree. Okay, so I'm just going to pull behind me here. You'll be able to see her. There you are, Laura.
Hi guys.
You pruned it all. Good stuff. So my job is while she's doing that, I am actually doing a barbecue in the pigsty. I'll show you what I mean. We had lots of wood and branches, so marinated some chicken last night, piri style, and got some nice fire going. Look at that. Gonna get some nice. Oh, the heat in here is crazy. So this is really simple luxury by nature, right? That's our slogan here. We got lots of this little branches, bigger ones, and we got some really nice chicken. And I'm already feeling the heat here. Nice. And the setting couldn't be nicer. Got my new little simple grill, €5 right there, maybe less. And here's the chicken. Let's see, I think if you can just smell this, I think that's gonna be good. Yeah, they call it here a vindalge. But I added some rosemary. I like rosemary with the chicken, garlic, salt, pepper, beer, and the special lime we have here, the tangerino limão. Anyway, it's gonna be awesome. Just pause a while and see these. Lots of boats out today. I don't know if you can see it. You saw the last video we did. We were up here for a little while, and once again, yesterday we were on Lage. We went to a little coastal hike, and back here today, it's just wow. It's crazy, crazy spot. We actually just met a couple from Fayal. Came over 7 months ago, just like we did. They're about a place, and they asked us to visit them. There's Laura, somewhere there. I can't see her now. There she is. Now, speaking of the couple we just met here from Fayal, they originally are from the mainland Portugal, and what a small world. We got to talk for about an hour, actually. They were just asking for directions, and one thing led to another, and they're pretty much doing what we're doing, except in Fayal. And the gentleman, actually, his name is Jose, actually had watched some of our vlogs. No, it's a small world. And they just came, they've been here for 7 months, bought a cute little house in Fayal. She's into sustainability, growing their own. She's planting oranges, so we're going to go over, maybe do a vlog there at some point. They invited us. But it just shows you, and we kind of got touching on the switch that people have been already on a few years back, where, getting away from the busier lifestyle, kind of going to, settling down a little bit, either part-time or full-time in areas like the Azores, like in their case, Fayal here, Pico. But all the Azores, you can do this, even in the mainland, other places in Europe. But it's more of that switch. It's where you just decide that, and I don't think it's just an age thing. I'm in my 50s, but I mean, 30-year-olds are doing this, and they're just looking for a way to protect the planet, protect the soil, the earth, grow your own vegetables. In other words, be healthier. I mean, I think that for that, doing a lot of that also helps the mind, the anxieties of life, which most of us have, maybe all of us in different levels. And I know this helps me. I mean, right now it's hearing the fire behind me here. In these kind of surroundings where I look at the sea, it's just not moving. There's some boats out there, they're fishing, which is something I'm probably going to do. We're going to grab some fish and barbecue here at some point. But it's just so many other people know through our vlog, a lot of comments are based on inspiration, people wanting to do what we're doing, and they were already thinking of doing it. there's actually a lot of more people doing it, which is great. I love that. Even if you get to experience 2-3 months of this, it'll add to your life. I really believe that. It'll help balance your life because we're always going to have stresses, different types. We can't get away from them completely, but the key is how to handle it. And it's a learning thing. I'm learning as I go. Laura's learning as she goes. And this other couple, same thing. And I think it's incredible where I'm meeting a lot of people kind of with the same mindset. And I think that's, I'm just so glad we did this channel because it adds inspiration to us. It really makes us feel like even more energetic, right? And by sharing this with you guys, who knows? I'm pretty sure I'm going to meet some of you. I have that feeling here or somewhere. But continue to be inspired by us, by just your ideas, okay? And I'm really getting hungry now. But anyways, I didn't plan on getting this deep, but that's life, right? When you feel it, you feel it. So as soon as I put this beautiful chicken on here, frango. In Portuguese, it's called churrasco. But look at it. I don't know if you... Too bad you can't. I can't get too close because it's so hot. If you could only smell this. I like to get a little bit of burn on it, then I take away the those little new logs there. But the scent is beautiful. I'm the cook today. So Laura, how are you doing here? Just checking up on her. There's all the pruning from the chestnut. Chicken is
it's
on the Barbie.
Because I'm very hungry.
Yeah, it's on the Barbie. Can you smell it from here? Hey, it's nice.
Yeah,
eh?
actually, I can.
Hey. So the tree is looking good.
I pulled some of these.
Yeah.
Because I thought we could replant them to make some hedges.
Okay.
Because these make really good.
Just gotta find some.
That's called.
That's if I'm not mistaken, that's fire maybe. Fire incense. I can't tell right now.
A lot of Portuguese people use these to make quintas, right?
Hedges. It's just
the hedges
yeah.
to protect the fruit trees.
Yeah, it's one of the plants that they use for that.
Yeah,
it's
so
nice.
Instead of throwing them out, I thought I'd keep them and
perfect.
Plant them.
Let's take a closer look at the tree here. Yeah. Wow. Love. So it's to be able to breathe more now.
Yeah.
It's a nice tree. I can see getting some chestnuts and roasting it over that little pigsty barbecue we have there. I can visualize that.
Yeah, I hope I trimmed it okay. I'll have to have Joe look at it.
Well, it's too late if you didn't.
No, I mean, there might be some more branches that need to be...
No, I think you've done enough. It's very nice. So maybe we'll eat in about 20 minutes, okay?
Okay.
I think they're about done. I already flipped them over a few times. This is a pretty cool thing. Look at this. Look at the color. I'll think about it another 5, maybe 3 minutes. They're done. How is it? It's good. Look at it.
It's so good.
Yeah, nothing like cooking on wood.
It's really good.
Yeah, this rice and cabbage, very Asian.
It was a great idea.
Asian rice, Portuguese chicken. Okay, so we just had some lunch, and now we're back at work, especially Laura. We're trying to find dirt here, so as you guys know, a lot of this has rock in here, lava rock, but so we're replanting. Yeah, it's great for hedges, so we're going to see if they take here.
I thought that this was fire, and this is actually incense, which is what I like because they have the beautiful smelling flowers.
Yeah. So we're going to put them along this little wall just to try them out, just to see it and see what happens.
And if you notice here, the plant that I showed, that's that big white flower that we showed you.
Yeah.
But there's quite a few of them growing here, which is nice.
Yeah, so I like this. Well, there's a good one right here. There's a full one right here. So just
here we go, guys.
and varieties of lilies. this, eh?
Yeah.
And we're going to work all the way up. Now, you were saying something about exposing the lava rock. Can you just show us what the rocks you're talking about quickly? As soon as we take these hedges out, yeah, those are, yeah, you have to expose all those around. I see.
So you can see, we take these out.
Okay, I'll take those.
I can't. They're like growing out of the rock.
Yeah, there's some amazing rocks here. I mean,
Yeah, here. This is all dirt in here.
yeah, you can. Wow.
Plant a flower in there.
Yeah. Palm tree or something. Wanted to show you guys the dirt. We're just obviously taking these weeds out and then replanting, but just look at this lava soil. It's like this. For those who don't know it, so you can see it. It's like a little gravel thing. This is volcanic, right? Full of nutrients, minerals, and that's why soil just makes things grow really quickly.
So guys, almost done. So just planted all these incensu,
yeah,
all the way up the wall here. So this will give a really nice hedge.
Yeah, like a nice fence eventually with bees like it, and gives us some shade. And we replanted it from somewhere else, so we didn't even buy it.
So it'll be interesting to see how well they take.
Yeah,
apparently these grow really well.
Yeah, I think you did a good job. You're spacing them out too.
Yeah. At first we thought these were grasses, but they're actually the garlic onion. Pretty cool.
I can smell. That's all I can smell right now.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna sign out here. Laura is right back to work, non-stop today. I did a bit, and I also cooked. Don't forget. So, yeah, we were supposed to, as we mentioned at the beginning of this video, we actually still going to the nursery. But I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna do a whole vlog on the nursery, not just put a few things, because there's a lot there. So, you know, we hope you enjoyed this vlog. It's another, what I'm calling it, simple luxury in nature, just hanging out with us around the house here. Hopefully you enjoyed the lunch, the nice chicken, and just being here with us. I guess the birds, I think you might have heard lots of birds today, and hopefully when we do share these vlogs, and especially these kinds where it's more of a vlog and you're kind of with us, and where I'm talking to you directly like I am right now. We really feel that you're with us here, okay, and that's how we hope that you feel as well. So I'm going to sign out. Thank you for your support. Would love for you to click that like button, and see you on the next vlog. I don't know if the nursery will be the next one, or magma. We're still working on both of those, so see you then.
Bye guys.
See ya.